Hello, super learners. Are you ready for another alphabet adventure? Today, we have a very special guest. Put your hands together for Super Alphabet Hero.
Hello, my fantastic friends. I'm Super Alphabet Hero, and I'm here to take you on a thrilling journey through the world of letters. Today's special letter is B. Let's dive into the wonderful world of B. Now, let's see what cool things start with the letter B. First up, we have a ball. Bouncy and bright, a ball is so much fun to play with. Can you say ball with me? 1, 2, 3. Ball, B-A-L-L, ball!
Hello, amazing friends. It's your super buddy here, ready for another fantastic adventure in the world of letters. Now, we're diving into a very cool and cheerful letter. Can you guess which one it is? Yes, you're right. It's the letter C. C stands for cat, just like the one I'm wearing right now.
Look around, kids. C is for cat, purring softly in the sun. Now let's spell T together. Ready? C-A-T. That spells cat.
Hello, amazing adventurers. Are you ready to discover the next letter with our dazzling superhero? Now we're diving deep into the magical world of the letter D. Who do we have here? It's a friendly dog. Dogs are loyal and love to play fetch. Let's wag our tails like a happy dog. Hello, fantastic friends. It's me, your alphabet adventure superhero, here to discover another exciting letter. Can you guess which one it is? Yes, that's right. It's the letter E. And E stands for a magnificent, gentle giant of the jungle. Can you guess who? Elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Elephants are incredible creatures. Did you know they are the largest land animals in the world today? Now, let's spell elephant together with our friend here. And that's the end of our fantastic journey today. Join us next time for more fun with letters and Super Alphabet Hero. Bye-bye, buddies.